Hey there, my name is Alok. I'm the co-founder and CEO of AutoReel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly edit your videos. Now AutoReel makes beautiful videos in the first go, but in some cases you might want to personalize it further or redo or swap a scene that you weren't a fan of. Let's go ahead and show you how quick and easy it is to do this. I'm going to go to Quick Edit. First, I can remove any scenes that I want or drag to reorder them. In this case, I'm good. On the next and final screen, I can redo or swap any of the images that I didn't like. Up here, we'll see how many of these clip updates, as we call it, essentially a redo or a swap, are available. And in this case, I have 5 of them. So now I can select up to 5 images that I want to redo or swap if I didn't like the movement. In this case, I'm going to redo the first one, the outside of the house, and then maybe I want to swap out the loft for a different bedroom. In this case, let's feature this bedroom instead. And there it is. As you can see, we have 3 out of 5 clip updates now still available. And that's because we've selected the outside of the house as well as the room to swap over to over here. And we still have 3 more in case we want to edit this further. I'm also going to remove my phone number from the outro, but I think the rest of the settings here are good to go. The music, the text, and the branding. Let's go ahead and create the video. In just a few minutes, AutoReel created a new version of the video and it applied all the edits we just made. Let's take a look. All right, so the first scene has been redone. The camera movement is different. And there's the baby laugh. And let's verify the phone number is gone. It is gone. That's how quick and easy it is to edit videos with AutoReel. We can't wait to see what you create.